Yun o. Ito kami sa Secret Falls mga kapuso. Kasama natin o. Sa mga kapuso. Yeah. Iya. Si Andre, gawin ka naman dyan. Yan. Secret Falls mga kapuso. Ayan. Love it.
Where are we?
We're here in the province of Bulacan, DRT. Secret Falls. Secret Falls po.
Secret lang, oh, ni-reveal mo.
Don't shout, it's secret.
Hello po. Morning, kuya. Morning, sir.
Panibagong umaga yan, Lord. Ingatan niyo po yung pupuntahan namin. Hello guys! Asan tayo?
We're in DRT.
We're from Bulacan and we're going to...
We're still here in Bulacan.
We're going to Secret Falls in Bulacan. And we are group of people that...
Word of the day, Bulacan.
We're going to Secret Falls and here we are, we're trekking on the road. Trekking on the road and the road is slippery. So be careful what you wish for and you might getting up. We're on the seatmate and guys, if you want to hear vacation in the Bulacan, just visit Secret Falls. You know, we're looking for the atmosphere and the environment. You know, love it. We're still walking on the road and we're here with my beautiful loved one. She love poison me and that's why we're still together now. All together now, both together now. And we're here in the looking for the Secret Falls. We hear the sound of the whisper of the water. We're almost over there. We can sing, I am almost over you. Ay. Ayan, no?
Atras na, pero
Lakad na kami sa ilog. Ayan, no?
Ingat lang po ha, baka manaban mo pa.
Oh, ilog. Lakad agad. Ano agad? Adventure agad. Punta kami sa Secret Falls. Ayan, no?
Hindi na secret yun.
Kaya may nga, secret lang siya. Makakasama natin ayan, sa likod. Hey! Kasama natin si Sir Pandoy. Mga kapuso, punta kami sa may falls. Sa Secret Falls. Ayan, no? Makakasama natin, nasa harap tayo. Sa una. Sa ano to? Sa DRT Secret Falls. Liligo tayo. Yun, no? Ito kami sa Secret Falls mga kapuso. Kasama natin, no? Sa mga kapuso. Yeah. Iya. Si Andre, gawin ka naman dyan. Yan. Secret Falls mga kapuso. Ayan. Love it. Ayun, no? Game na! Ayun, no? Love it. So, Andre.
Sabay tayo. Pupunta mo ako naman.
Ayun, no? Hindi na kinakabahan, eh, oh.
Galing. Galing, mababaw pa rin. Ay, gusto kami yung hulog.
Diretso lang po sa bangin.
Order po.
Hindi ko lang sasabihin. Hello. Diyan mo nila.
Rovic, sama ka dito, ah. Let's go. Digong!
We're here in Secret Falls.
Buti natin.
Where to be?
Let's go, Bigong Vlogger.
Hi guys, we're playing cards in this place and so let's come on outside. Come on outside.
King. One.
Us.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack.
Sino?
Hello. We're here in Secret Falls, guys, and we are the company of the Philippines.
6.5 hours later.
Interest ako.
We are the Black family.
Vinegar.
Black vinegar. The Black family is walking. Swimming pa more. Swimming. Yabang nakabinik. Yabang nakabinik. Saan ba kayo galing, mga Black family?
Photoshoot lang.
So guys, ito nga kami ngayon. After ng kaligayahan, naglalakad po kami sa ilog. After the happiness,
Lagi hindi ko na pa.
and we are
A conqueror.
the conqueror of the earth. And we conquer the earth with garbage bag.
What about a fall?
Okay. Tumalalim na mga kapuso. Hanggang tuhod na po.
Si Andre, si Andre.
Andre, hanggang dibdib na ni Andre.
Napipili ko niya yung nararamdaman niya.
So guys, nakahon na kami. Thank you Lord.
Okay, basa na ulit ako.
Thank you Lord.
Pero dala lang.